Hi everybody, this is Nava from Nava Natural, here to inspire you to live and feel fabulous every day. Today I want to mention a situation and problem that a lot of you are going through, and it's eczema. I meet people at least once a day that suffer from eczema or psoriasis or any other skin disorders, but especially eczema. And today I want you to pay attention to what causes eczema. Eczema comes from the inside, of course, also. We need to target the issue inside the lymphatic system, so we have to flush out toxic. But topical, I recommend you to use something that kills bacteria and hydrate the skin at the same time, so it doesn't leave you dry, and so you don't need to put lotions on your skin all the time, because it's not the greatest solution for skin disorders like eczema. This product is the sparkling body scrub, but in a small jar. You usually see me presenting the big jar, but this is the smaller jar, and it's exactly the same like the big one. It has organic blend of herbs that improve the skin. It has Dead Sea salt that help kill bacteria, but at the same time heal and rejuvenate your skin. And it has vitamins and essential oils to hydrate and nourish your skin, so by the end, when you wash this salt from your skin will feel soft, smooth, silky, and I always add sexy as well. So I encourage you guys to give it a try. If you have ever before tried salt scrub and you didn't like it, try this one. It has an amazing combination of essential oils and vitamins and minerals and all the good stuff that I put in there, beside my love and beside my attention and for you to heal and recover the skin. I make product on purpose that it will be simple for you, and it will really be effective when you are using it right away. So this product is a big yes for people with psoriasis and eczema. Use it without using any other soap. Do not use any other soap on your skin. It irritates your skin, and you don't need lotion. If you really feel like you need lotion, put coconut oil a little bit after you are using it, but you will see that with the time you don't even need coconut oil. You don't need nothing. It's just amazing for everyone, but especially for you guys who are going through problems like eczema. And if you want to go deeper into the solution, just check my coming soon podcast about the 7-day empowering detox program that help your skin from the inside to recover from the inside. So I wish you all a beautiful day. I want you to remember that lotion is not something that will solve your issue, because what it does, it just cover your skin, and it's suffocating your skin, and it causes the skin to be more irritated. The less the better. So just use the salt scrub and enjoy the results. I wish you all the best. I wish you a great day, a happy Sunday, and I'll talk to you soon. This is Nava from Nava Natural, here to inspire you to feel fabulous. Bye guys.